Alkynes are named by replacing the ane suffix in the name of an alkene with the yne suffix for an alkyne. Which leads to names like ethyne, or the simplest alkyne, then propyne, or octyne for one of the many members of class which has 8 carbons and a triple bond in there somewhere. Just as we've seen with alkenes, the triple bond has to have the lowest possible numbers, so this molecule will be 1-butyne, while this will be 2-hexyne. And only after we assign a triple bond its lowest number, we go ahead and introduce the substituents. So in this case, we would name this as 4-methyl 2-pentyne, even though the methyl group is closer to the other end. Now in cases when we have a double bond and a triple bond together in the same molecule, the double bond gets priority. So this will be 1-pentene. Molecule's name is a pentene, but it has a 4-ine moiety, which is indicated here. So we start numbering from the side closer to the double and not the triple. There are cyclic alkynes out there as well, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This would be cyclodecyne. And because of the strain that gets introduced into this ring in the presence of the linear triple bond, cyclooctane is the smallest stable cycloalkyne. Common names are still often seen for alkynes. Probably the most common one is this one, acetylene. But then also many of the higher alkynes are named as derivatives of acetylene. So this butyne would be called oftentimes as just ethyl-acetylene. And this molecule is often referred to as diphenylacetylene. And this classification persists in the classification of alkynes, such as this alkyne, which still have a hydrogen at the end, are called terminal alkynes because the triple bond is the end of the terminus of the molecule. And correspondingly, this hydrogen is called the acetylenic hydrogen. While the alkynes such as this one, which have a triple bond between the two alkyl substituents, is known as an internal alkyl. So as you can see, the nomenclature of alkynes is really not that different from alkenes. The main difference that we've seen so far is that the triple bond takes a back seat in the presence of a double bond, so double bond gets the lowest numbers.